So my name is and I got scammed online. I was buying used stuff online, secondhand stuff online. I was trying to find this, small thing, didn't cost much. Went to this, the most common, the most trustworthy online marketplace. I tried searching it week after week, didn't really find anyone selling what I wanted. So I could do this online, let's say, advert that, hey, I'm searching for this. If you have it, let's make a deal, contact me. And actually that worked very well. So I got a contact from a person. We built up the trust that, hey, okay, you have the goods, I want to buy it. I'm usually quite careful in these kind of situations. So how do you know that the person is actually real and trustworthy? But it was kind of like a small amount. And I think it helped that he responded fast. So in the end, we decided that, hey, I transferred the money over wire. You sent the goods. I transferred the money over wire, and nothing happened. I just keep on reaching that, hey, where is the package? What are you doing? I have to call the customer service. Still nothing. And I gave plenty of time for the person. And actually, it was complete radio silence. I was so furious that how can I fall into this kind of simple thing. In the end, I made a criminal record to the police, contacted the customer service, but I never saw the money. And it was really not the money itself, that was small amount of money, but very awkward to be in that situation myself. So you have to be careful in the future. That was a good learning, definitely.